what was your first experience like on that motorcycle?
I fell, and am I on YouTube?
Yeah, you'll be on YouTube, sure.
Okay, what do I have to type?
Well, what was your experience on the bike? Did you like it? Did you not like it?
I liked it.
You liked it?
And, I like my boots, and, I like the 22 on it, and, I like it how it's Yamaha, and I like how fast it is.
Can you look at us when you're talking?
I like how fast it is. And
Say you almost wheelied when you first got on.
Yamaha, and it almost wheelied when I first got on it.
Was it fun though?
Yeah,
Do you want to sell the bike or do you want to ride it some more?
ride it way more.
Way more. Woo! Dude, are you excited? You like the sport? So when do you want to ride again? Next year or like next weekend?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Not an option.
Way to go, Alex. I'm glad that you're happy about that, dude. Got a fun little sport for you. Okay.